Hello Aquarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look at the messages, what can be expected in the coming days of May. And as I'm on Patreon now, so we'll be having an extended on Patreon. The link will be given in the description box below. So if this reading resonates with you, then please do join me on Patreon and listen to your reading, where you'll find more clarity and more information on your situation. And thanks for being here. Let's get started. So what are the messages for Aquarians? So we have the Tower, the Knight of Wands, the Ace of Pentacles, Six of Cups, Page of Pentacles, Queen of Cups, Two of Cups, the Justice, and the Magician. So Aquarians, we are starting with the Tower. So something has happened unexpectedly over here, and it's something really weird, I should say. We'll clarify that on Patreon, what that unexpected event is, or unexpected thing is, whatever has happened here. But whatever has happened has made you rush towards it very fast. Okay, so you are rushing in towards this thing, whatever this is for you, this person, this situation, perhaps to save it, perhaps trying to save whatever is falling down with this Tower, and wanting to have a new beginning. Okay, so something is crashing down, something is coming to an abrupt end, something unexpected has happened, and it is type of, it's blowing you off. Okay, it's like blowing you off. You really are, it's like, no, all my energies are into it. I have to save this at any cost. I want it again. I will not let it down. I will not let the Tower crash. It's something like that. It's really blowing your head, and you just cannot let it fall. And that is why very, very impulsively and very, very fast, with all the passion, all the energy, you are just 101% rushing towards this event to perhaps save this event and wanting a new beginning here. Okay, you want a new beginning here with the Ace of Pentacles. One more thing is, we'll have to clarify that on Patreon. We'll see that in the extended, that were you able to save this? Because is this new beginning actually you are getting from, were you able to save this and have a new beginning, or it is actually a new beginning? Getting my point? Okay, so this we will have to take a dig on. We will have to look deeper into this, that could you save this Tower moment, whatever it was, by rushing towards it, because that is what you are wanting. But anyway, this is a new beginning here. Perhaps it can be that you are wanting a new beginning with this, preventing it to fall down, or you weren't able to save it and it is actually a new beginning. So we'll see that. Okay, and with the Six of Cups here, so definitely it is like it can be that you were able to save it, maybe, or maybe if it is a new beginning, then it is just trying to have those happy times once again. It is a but this is somebody definitely from the past. Maybe you're meeting, if whatever it is, I'll go one way. It's a story that, yeah, you are having a new beginning. You are trying to get back those happy times, reaching out to your family, reaching out to your friends, reaching out to your loved ones. It's that soulmate type of a connection, trying to build something new with the help of your kith and kin. It can be put that way. Okay, so you're trying to rebuild, perhaps, or build or rebuild, whatever it is. Even if you are able to save it, it is rebuilding, and if it is something new, then in that case also it is rebuilding. So I think it will be easy for you to follow here. So if you are able to save or not, whatever the situation is, here we are starting with a new beginning. Okay, so let's put this aside. We start with a new beginning, trying to get back to things in a proper way. If it is a relationship, then you're trying to get back to it, trying to get back to those happy times, trying to rekindle those fond memories, just being nostalgic and trying to recreate them, or actually getting back to your kith and kin, your loved ones. And with the Page of Pentacles, so this is something which has a potential to grow, and that is what you are investing in here with the Six of Cups. Okay, so this new beginning is there for you. You are investing in it here with all your emotions, pouring down all your good memories and all your energies into it, and you are here taking a step forward with the Page of Pentacles to grow it. Okay, so that is what you've started investing in it slowly and slowly. And with the Queen of Cups, this is something or someone, whatever it is, you have a lot of emotions for. Okay, you're just waiting for how much to invest. Should I invest 100% into it? How to go about it? Something like that. But yes, I really don't feel that you are showing as much emotions as you have inside you. So you are moving in a very, very controlled way in this situation, taking small steps forward, even though you have a lot inside you. Okay, and here with the Two of Cups, definitely over here, it is a relationship, it is a newfound friendship, newfound connection, which is developing, I should say, since you've started this new beginning and you are investing in it slowly and steadily. It is developing, it is definitely developing. Okay, and here, and it is very equal, it is a balanced type of a partnership. Both of you feel good about it. And with the Justice and with the Magician following next, here it is a time to, this is with the Magician, definitely you are manifesting something new. It's huge, it's not simple, it's not easy, it's not small. And with the Justice being there, what I feel is this is, you are taking a decision to start something new. Now if it is a relationship, then maybe you are taking a decision to move ahead or step up in the relationship. Can be that. Maybe maybe something legal is there. Maybe you're going in for a registered marriage type of a thing. It can be that also. Maybe you're committing to this person and it is a legal formality. It's like a registered marriage, for example, I'm saying, for this brand new beginning over here. Okay, so definitely a major decision is being taken over here to start a new beginning, and that isn't easy, and that isn't small. It is a major decision of your life. We have two major cards out here. Okay, so this is a major decision over here which is being taken. Okay, so Aquarians, it's interesting to see that we are starting with the Tower, so something has crashed down and fallen, and with the Magician, it's a new beginning here which is being manifested, and here also we have the potential of a new beginning, and here you are actually manifesting it, you are actually investing in it, and now here you are ready to put it forward in the world, to execute it. It's something like that. So it's interesting to see as to what this Tower was and what this is which you are creating, Aquarians. And I would request you to do follow on Patreon and just see, explore the energies, what they are. Let's see what is the message from this deck for Aquarians. The Sun. Whoa, very happy. It's a beautiful card out here. So definitely whatever is coming in, or is rebuilding in whatever way it is giving you a lot of happiness. So seems to be a very good energy, Aquarius. Let's see what is the guidance from the angels. Nine of Thought. Stop being so hard on yourself and turn your thoughts towards the positive. There is no need to worry. Anticipating the worst isn't helpful. Know that heaven will provide you a solution if you are experiencing sleepless nights or anxiety over a challenge in your life. Release the problem to your angels, and that is, I think, is talking about this Tower. Okay, so don't be hard on yourself, turn your thoughts towards the positive, and that is what you are doing, manifesting a new beginning. Heavens are listening to you and you are getting the happiness. So Aquarians, if it resonates with you and you want to pursue it further, you really want to have a clearer perspective of the situation, then do follow me on Patreon and listen to your reading. The link will be given in the description box below. And if you choose to be with me till here, then thanks for being with me and hope it helps. Bye. Thank you.